Hey everyone, my name is Matt Albrin, owner of OneSource Roofing and Restoration, and we just wanted to put together a video to walk you through the materials we use, the manufacturers, and what kind of materials is the class 3, class 4, what are we going to put on your roof, what are we recommending. So to start off, these are some of our certified manufacturers that we're actually certified with. You have Malarkey, CertainTeed, IKO, GAF. That's a lot of certifications. That just means that we've gone through extensive testing with those manufacturers to get those certifications with each one. And we felt that all of these were valuable to be certified with. It doesn't mean that we can't install other materials that are out there, but these are ones that we really push to the homeowner for various reasons. Besides these asphalt shingle manufacturers, there's some other materials that we push as well. Stone-coated steel, standing seam, F-wave, and obviously there's some designer shingles out there, which may be class 3, may be class 4, just depending on what manufacturer and style that it is. But this year we've been really pushing, obviously we get lots of hail, we have high deductibles, and because of that, there's some people that are thinking, hey, what can I put on my roof that's going to actually last a long time, even more than maybe even a class 3 or class 4 might. And so for those people that might have a little bit more financial flexibility, we just wanted to have some options out there for them. So F-Wave is one of those options that's a little bit more affordable, somewhere between an asphalt shingle and like a standing seam or stone-coated steel on pricing. And that's supposed to last a pretty long time. So we have a lot of options, even besides these. There are a lot of options out there. Now I'm going to invite Ben, our director of sales, come up and go a little bit more detail on some of these materials.
Thanks, Matt. Appreciate it. Quick background on me. I used to actually sell roofing materials, so I've done extensive training on all of these brands and all the brands that are out there. But essentially, what we do here is most customers, even if they have a 3-tab or a standard architectural, nowadays, your standard architectural is actually going to be a class 3 shingle. So Malarkey, for example, they have their Highlander. CertainTeed is going to have their Landmark. IKO is going to have their Cambridge. JS is going to have their HDZ. So all of these options are great upgrades to your roof, and that's something here at OneSource we offer automatically. Now, if you, like he was saying, you have a little bit more room in your budget, or you're sick of paying deductibles and you want something that's going to last, potentially a long time. This is an example of F-Wave, and it's actually made from TPO, which is a commercial material that they put on commercial buildings, except it's way thicker than what they put on commercial buildings. Comes in 4 styles. This one actually looks like shingles, like a standard architectural when you install it. They have a slate look, so if you're looking for that, real slate style look, they have that. They have now this isn't super popular anymore, but they have a cedar shake look. I know a lot of houses, even in Frisco, 20 years ago had cedar shake, but this is one that's more durable and will last forever. And then you have more of a designer look. So that's one of the products we offer. And then here's just an example of a designer asphalt shingle. This is IKO's Royal Estate. So this is something, if you have a designer shingle on your house already, this is a really affordable, good option, but there are the other manufacturers also offer designer options as well. So if you ever want any more in-depth training on any of these products, we'd be happy to offer that. Matt?
Yeah, and thank you, Ben. We at OneSource Roofing, we're just here to serve you, and we're here to provide the very best shingle or whatever it is, the best service for you specifically. Everyone and their roof and project is a little bit different. So what is specifically for you, we're going to look into those options and I think be a great fit for you. So let's say OneSource Roofing and Restoration, we are here to serve. Feel free to visit our website at onesourceroofs.com or give us a call at 972-928-2988. And we are looking forward to serving you. We're based right here in Frisco, Texas, and we cover the DFW Metroplex, pretty much all of North Texas. And we're looking forward to meeting you and serving you on your next roofing project.